what is it?
May it please
Yes.
your lordship, in item number 30 of supplementary list, I have filed an IA for a minor correction, your lordship. That may be bring into record.
My lord, it's regarding item number 4, my lord. My lord, due to some personal difficulty, my lord. The matter may be,
For this court will not take up.
my lord, for the time being, my lord.
No, will not take up the matter. This court will not take up the matter. Jointa Kumar Sharma,
My lord.
who had recused earlier.
Master.
Where is the learned counsel for the petitioner?
MK Chaudhary, Seniority.
You're in item number 4.
Your lord.
Can you go before some other bench?
Yes, your lord. This has been recused
Okay.
on prior occasion, your lord.
Leave before any other bench without me.
Your lordship, must have.
Madam?
Lordships, I was only told that your lordship was taking up urgent matters and only motion
Motion
matters.
matters, yes.
Lordship, item number 12 may be taken up today at my humble request with your
What
lordship.
is 12?
12 is a simple IA for impleadment of a
Okay.
party as a respondent. I'm deeply aware.
Lordship, taking the interest of your lordship for moving a urgent motion matter, lordship unlisted law.
Today?
Yes.
What is the
Lordship, in
urgency?
this case, lordship, we have finished the disciplinary action, lordship, by imposition of penalty of intimate, two intimate, lordship. Wherein the lordship, similar issue, lordship has already hold that regarding the purpose of the second show cause notice, lordship. In this case, during pendency of the petitioner's request for providing the statement of the witnesses, the impugn order was passed by already
Can we state? We cannot
Okay, I-
state.
lordship, and
Increment is not a irretrievable penalty. It can be revoked. It can be taken care of. No urgency. Move it on the reopening. Otherwise, also this court is not very well. We'll have to rise early. Okay.
Is your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing on double CC lordship.
After the vacation, make a mention after the vacation, not now. You want to withdraw this matter?
Yes, my lord, the prayer of the petition has been considered, my lord.
Okay.
Item number
We-
20 and 21, my.
Separate orders, huh? Sri V. Kumar, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted on instructions that during the pendency of this writ petition, the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed. Also heard redressed and therefore he wants to withdraw the writ petition. Para. Also heard Sri H. Gupta, learned CGC, who does not object to the said prayer. Para. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal. Separate orders. Okay.
21, same, my. Deep level.
Item 1.
Lordship, this is for compliance of the order, your lord. This
Which-
27, 28 is the relevant person.
Page.
Page 28 here. Wherein the direction was given for not making any further recovery of from the salary of the prisoner.
I don't know, nothing wrote however in regard to the there's no further recovery. Okay. Thereafter,
Thereafter, your lordship on this 29, we have submitted this before the director. And page 31, your lordship. This is the salary slip for the month of November. They have deducted ₹3,000.
yes. Deducted.
Page 31, your lord.
Deducted.
Yes.
Heard Sri A.M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioners, Basius, who by means of this petition has alleged willful and deliberate violation of the order dated so and so, so and so. The learned counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the representation dated 30/10/2024, by which the order was forwarded for compliance. He has also drawn the attention of this court to the salary slip of November 2024 and has contended that the recovery is still continuing, still continuing in spite of the direction of this court, notice, 6 weeks registered post with AD, steps within 2 working days. Yes.
All right.
Yes, miss.
Please, your lordship, my lord, the matter pertains to my lord, non-payment of pension. My lord,
What is the IA about?
my lord, there is a typographical mistake. Instead of my lord executive engineer, it is written as chief engineer, my lord.
Okay, what non-release of pension?
Yes.
When did he retire?
My lord, he retired 2024, my lord. Earlier, he was regular as my lord at page 45, my lord, in the year 2005, my lord. His post was, my lord, sanctioned by the governor, my lord.
Sri N. Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by non-release of his pension. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he had retired from service. When? Which month?
My lord, 2024, my lord, month is, my lord.
24 is a month of 12
In
months.
month of, my lord,
If you
July.
have retired in,
July.
where have you stated?
My lord, para, my lord, 17 page 16, my lord, only year I mentioned.
If you are retired in December, how do you know? November. Mr. Sarkar, what is this? Where is the superannuation notice? These questions should not be put by the court. It should be a question which you have to put to yourself.
sir.
When did you retire? Where is the superannuation notice?
That is, my lord, not any.
Any statement in the pleadings?
Only at page, my lord, 16, para 17, my lord, he retired, my lord, in the year 2050.
Not enough. File an additional affidavit. No, not this way, Mr. Sarkar. Don't make things complicated. Just mention the date. Don't you ask your client when have you retired? What is your cause of action? What is your grievance? You must have retired. You might have retired in January 2024. It's a ripe case, 1 year.
Yes, my lord, I'll-
Then you might have retired in November. Then it may not be a fit case for even entertaining.
I'll file one additional.
Since the period, since the date of retirement, date/month of retirement has not been mentioned in this writ petition, Sri Sarkar, the learned counsel, prays for and is granted liberty to file an additional affidavit on the said respect.
Okay.
Please for motion along with the said affidavit after the winter vacation. You write the names of the other side. Sri
Sharma for
Sri-
4, 5, and 6.
Sri A. Chakraborty, State
Nine and
Counsel, C. Sharma, Standing Counsel Limahasaw, and S.K. Mehri, AG,
Yes.
Accountant General. You are also the finance, our Pujari Finance, respondent लिखिबो ना लगे, हाँ? Department का लिखिबो. Okay, next.
The petitioner, my lord, was appointed as an appointment letter. Your lordship will find at page 18, my lord. Page 18.
Yes,
It's a notification dated 21st August 2015.
yes.
as recommended by the Assam Public Service Commission and upon receipt of satisfactory police verification report, the Governor of Assam is pleased to appoint the following candidates to the Assam Police Service Junior Cadre with the effect from date of joining. And my name, your lordship, will find at page number, serial number 10, my lord.
Okay,
Serial number 10.
yes,
Now, pursuant to my appointment, my lord, there was an FIR which was filed on 27/10/2016,
Hmm.
which your lordship will find at page number 20, my lord.
yes,
An FIR was filed by one Ongsumitar Gogoi on 27/10/2016. Now, my lord, pursuant to this, my lord, I was issued an show cause notice on 30/11/2023, my lord.
Hmm.
Your lordship will kindly turn to page 25. Your lordship will kindly note, my lord, 30th November 2023, my lord.
Hmm.
Show cause notice was issued to me. You are hereby required to show cause under Rule 9, read with Article
Okay, that is
300.
okay, then did you reply?
My lord, the reply your lordship will find on 26/2024, my lord.
Page 30,
Page 30, my lord.
yes, we've seen thereafter.
And my lord, I have prayed that the charges must be dropped. In the meantime, my lord, a supplementary charge sheet was filed with regard to the criminal case.
Correct,
And my name, your lordship, will find at page 66, my lord.
yes,
It is there. And my lord, I was issued summon
Hmm.
and I had appeared. And my lord, the specific case of the petitioner, your lordship will find at page 9, paragraph 15, my lord.
No, Mr. Barwa,
Well-
you need not state all the facts in a motion stage.
Well-
Tell us what is your case,
Well-
what is the stage of the DP, what is the stage of the criminal case.
Well,
We are concerned with that.
My lord, in the DP, my lord, I was given a show cause notice.
What is the stage now?
My lord, after that, nothing has happened as on date. This pending.
Okay,
And in the criminal case, my lord, I have appeared on the last date.
what is the stage?
Stage, my lord,
Appearance stage. Appearance.
charges are to be framed.
Charges not yet framed.
Not yet framed. My lord, we have appeared before the learned court below. In fact, my lord, on the identical issue, my lord, your lordship will kindly see, your lordship's order is there, my lord. It is at, my lord, page number 106, my lord. In fact, it starts from 104. 104 and relevant portion, your,
We had mentioned Stengen.
my lord. That is my case.
Mr. Goswami, you take instruction, will issue a short notice.
Yes.
And for the time being, you take the instructions, don't proceed. But the deadline is of 1 year as per Stengen. But still then, you take the instructions. Heard Sri A.K. Barwa, learned counsel for the petitioner, whose primary grievance is the parallel proceeding of a departmental inquiry vis-a-vis a criminal case on the same set of charges, full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in the criminal case, the stage is for framing of charges, and in the disciplinary proceeding pursuant to the show cause notice dated 30/11/2023, he had submitted his reply in June 2024, whereafter the matter has not proceeded, full stop. The apprehension of the petitioner is that if he is made to disclose his defense in the disciplinary proceeding, comma, he would suffer prejudice in the criminal case. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Let
Maybe
3,
4 weeks, Lord.
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Okay, 4 weeks. 3. J.K. Goswami edition for all the respondents, extra copies. Para. 3. Barwa, the learned counsel prays for an interim order. Para. The law in this field is well settled that there is no strict restriction of parallel proceeding of a criminal case along with a disciplinary proceeding. Full stop. However, to balance the equities, however, in a recent judgment, however, in the judgment of so-and-so, Stengen,
And then,
लिखी देबा 2014 असल से the मुकोदिम the Honorable Supreme Court has laid down as a general principle a period of 1 year for completion of the disciplinary proceeding, full stop. in view of such, in view of the above principle, comma, and to balance the equities, it is directed that till the next date, till the returnable date, further proceedings in the disciplinary inquiry shall remain suspended. On the next date, the London State Council shall obtain the instructions and place before the court regarding the stage which the disciplinary proceeding had reached till today.
Date may be fixed.
Okay, list on, tell us.
My lord can fix this matter with, it's a serious matter. The lead case is WPC number 3705 of 2024, my lord.
Fixed on.
My lord, date is not fixed, I guess. My lord, after the
Please.
petition.
It is submitted that there are similar matters, including WPC
My lord, WPC number 3705 of 2024.
3705 of 2024, para. List along with sins.
Obliged, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Tangent to more. You give the citation of tangent?
My lord, I have the citation, my lord. I'll give, my lord.
Okay, given a slip.
I'll give.
2014.
I'll give.
Tangent to Yes, Mr. Patwari, what is this?
5 plus. Wait, do it.
Penalty of?
Well, initially, the disciplinary authority issued the penalty of withholding of 1 increment. On appeal, my lord, it has been turned to censure. But everything initiated in an anonymous complaint. That is my view.
Okay. Heard Sri J. Patwari, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner, who is an officer of the Assam Civil Service, is aggrieved by an order of penalty. Full stop. Initially, an order of penalty after disciplinary proceeding. Full stop. Initially, the penalty was of stoppage of increment, which the appellate authority had reduced to that of censure. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the proceeding was initiated on the basis of an anonymous complaint, which is not permissible in law. Para. Let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Mr. Chutia for all.
All.
Ritishi Chutia, learned additional so-and-so for all extra copies within by 2 working days.
Deeply.
Obliged.
Item 6.
Mr. Munir,
We are claiming the area with regard to revision of pay, my lord, from 2006 to 2010. The petitioner was terminated, my lord. He challenged the order of termination, my lord. Then this court, my lord, at page
19.6,
order
19.623, okay.
at paragraph 7, my lord.
Mm.
It has been stated he is entitled for the revision of pay from 2006, my lord. And we preferred applications, my lord. Thereafter,
Okay.
page 17
Okay.
and page
Okay.
19.
Heard Sri P.K. Munir, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner was working as an electrician cum wireman in the, with the what? Under what?
Well, it is Bokajan Cement Factory. It is under Cement Corporation of India.
Writ court. Writ lies. Why?
Government, my lord, like NRL,
CCI is under the
CCA,
controlled by the government.
government.
Let us see the where are pleadings. Pleadings regarding it's under the control of the government.
Well,
That has not been there.
that is not there. Earlier, the termination we have challenged, my lord.
Doesn't matter. Where are your pleadings?
Pleading is not there.
That the cement factory is under the government of
File
India.
additional pleadings.
We'll do it.
the, the grievance of the petitioner is with regard to is with regard to certain service benefits under the Cement Corporation
Even Corporation of India.
Cement Corporation of India. Full stop. However, there is no pleadings as to how the CCI is under the control of the central government. Para? No. Though the Learned Council submits that it is under the control of the Union of India, there are no pleadings. Full stop. The Learned Council is accordingly granted an opportunity to file additional pleadings on the aforesaid aspect.
I'm appealing for 2 to 4 my.
3-0, Learned Senior Council is present for the responsibles 2 to 4. Para? List for motion after the winter vacation along with the additional affidavit. File it.
Well,
Just bring it to the notice. How is it incorporated? That's all. ক'ত লিখিছে? ইয়াতে ক'ত লিখিছে? কিয় এইবিলাক কোৱা? তোমাক সোধা নাই নহয়। এইটো ক'ব লাগিব না এইটোৱে।
Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is a case of overstay in service, my lord. My lord, the petitioner was appointed on 1987. My lord, she was appointed as ANM employment, auxiliary nurse midwife.
Yes, madam.
Lordship may issue notice in this case.
Don't recover. Rafiq Mashi.
Yes, my lord.
Not been issued, Lordship.
What was not been issued? Recovery. Okay. Why are you aggrieved?
My lordship, can you see, my lord, page 34. Page 34, my lord.
34.
My lord.
Yes,
With
what is-
reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that so had continued and overstayed service beyond the actual retirement age as per original essential certificate issued on so. Therefore, you are requested to calculate excess dual with due diligence and recover the amount from so and deposit the same in proper
Request
date.
to calculate. But
What is the meaning of overstay? So either date of birth or whatever, grade 4 employee.
Grade-
So why do you go into those aspects?
notice may go, Lord.
Okay. But and this is 5/11/2023. If now till now, no recover. Okay. Heart 3, SP does Learned Council for the, one petitioner for the petitioner who is aggrieved by the apprehension of recovery from her pensionary benefits on the issue of overstay in her service. Full stop. The petitioner was working as an A&M and was supposed to retire on 1/2/2017.
Yes.
Full stop. However, due to certain error, she had overstayed and ultimately retired in December 2022. Full stop. The Learned Council has drawn the attention of this court to a communication dated 5/11/2023, whereby excess dwell has been directed to be calculated. And accordingly, the apprehension is there. Let notice be issued, returnable on 24th of January 2025. Yes, who's appearing? Health, madam? Health
1 to 6, Lord.
1 to 6 D Bora. Finance Borpujari 7. Accountant General C Bora 8. Extra copies. Para. The Learned Council prays for an interim order and in this regard has placed reliance upon the case of Rafiq Mashi versus so-and-so reported in so-and-so para. Considering the above and balancing the equities, comma, it is directed that till the next date fixed, there would be no recovery from the pensionary benefits of the petitioner.
But there is also a prayer for releasing the provisional pension, madam. But that cannot be stopped, madam. Provisional pension cannot be stopped.
When have you retired?
But on 2017.
No. That was the actual date. When have you retired?
I did not go into the office as per the direction on December 2022.
22 from, okay. Nothing has been paid till now.
No, nothing, madam. Provisional pension is my right, madam. It's my right, madam.
It is also press for interim order. He has also informed that till date, not even the provisional pension has been paid. That's what it is also directed that steps be taken for release of the provisional pension in the meantime. It's a pension. Item 8. Yes.
My lord, it is a transfer matter, my lord. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, is serving as a, my lord, assistant sub-inspector, my lord. At my lord, the frontier headquarters, my lord, Guwahati, my lord. My lord, as per his choice, my lord. My lord, the petitioner, my lord, initially, my lord, transferred, my lord, to my lord, the frontier Guwahati to 67 battalion, my lord. The Lumla, my lord, the Arunachal Pradesh, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, after that, my lord, there is some, my lord, one incident, my lord, took place, my lord, where my lord, petitioner, my lord, slipped, my lord, from staircase, my lord, and got, my lord, severely injured, my lord. And my lord, so my lord, he filed a representation, my lord, that my lord, since my lord, he is enforced, my lord, he know, my lord, that he is the discipline, my lord.
Where are you now?
At present, my lord, Guwahati frontier, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, he is
madam.
ready to go, my lord, and he's in 5 places, my lord.
Choice posting lordship is difficult, and that too lordship judgment is there that one cannot have. His main ground in the petition is that his daughter is studying in class 9 lordship. But if lordship found that his daughter is studying in Digboi, she is not living with her father.
Yes, my lord.
So whether he is here in Guwahati or in Bihar doesn't make any difference.
The other aspect that
Medical condition lordship. But,
on the aspect of daughter, we have noticed
Lord.
that cannot be a ground.
One, we have considered his case that from Arunachal, now we have posted him in Bihar lordship. Arunachal possibly is a hill area or hard area, but once we have considered his request, now by this transfer order, he was supposed to be transferred to Bihar lordship. Choice posting in the typical lordship when there are judgments also that if you are in a government servant, you have to.
Yes, what is the difficulty?
My lord,
Bihar, you get the medical facilities.
Yes, lord.
my lord,
Where in Bihar?
Bagaha, my lord.
Bagaha.
Lord.
Which district?
My lord,
Bagaha is in which district?
it's a remote area, my lord, one of my, as per my instruction, my lord. My lord, even my lord, his daughter, my lord, who is studying in class 9, my lord, and he's also suffering from some, my lord,
But you are not staying with the
Yes,
daughter. Daughter
he's
is a
not
big
staying.
boy.
Every Saturday, my lord, go to my lord, his native place.
See, this will go against you. If you are saying you are suffering medically and every Saturday you are traveling to Digboi, that you can do, but you cannot serve your, that will be contradictory to your stand.
If he is transferred to Bihar, my lord, then my lord, the daughter also suffer, my lord.
So you have to take one stand. Either you are medically unfit or you are because of
Yes,
your
my lord,
daughter.
medically unfit, my lord.
Daughter is a Digboi. You are at Guwahati. You travel to Digboi every weekend. You have said that means you are medically fit.
My lord, I have one copy, my lord, photocopy, my lord. Without stick, my lord, he cannot move his office, my lord. My lord, if learned friend, my lord, take instruction, my lord, whether my lord is true or not, my lord. Without stick, my lord. My lord, my lord, in representation, my lord, can you see 5 places, my lord? Any, my lord, he's ready to go, my lord, from here, my lord.
Those were his near
Or-
the
Sri Ellen Dihinya, learned. Heard Sri Ellen Dihinya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is primarily aggrieved by an order of transfer dated 26/9/2024, followed by another order dated 3/12/2024, by which he has been transferred to the 21st Bagaha Battalion.
Bagaha.
Battalion, is it battalion?
Yes, 21 battalion.
21st Bagaha Battalion in the state of Bihar. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner is serving as an assistant sub-inspector within bracket GD in the Sasastra Sima Bal at the frontier headquarters, Guwahati, and by an order dated 12/4/2024, he was sought to be transferred to the 67th Battalion at Lumla, LUMLA, in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. However, the petitioner had met with an accident with a fracture in the backbone, which is adversely affecting in his day-to-day activities. Full stop. The petitioner has submitted representation showing his willingness to be transferred in any other location wherein he can perform his duties. Full stop. He has also cited the case of his daughter, who is a student of class 9 and pursuing her studies at Digboi. And it is difficult for him to leave the state to the transferred place of posting. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on, we give a short date. Returnable on 10th, take this for 10th of January 2025. Ms. B. Sharma, CGC, all extra copies. Para. Three, the learned counsel for the petitioner prays for an interim order, which however is opposed by the learned CGC. Para. Balancing the equities, it is directed that till the next date, comma, the impugned transfer order may not be affected and affected full stop. The learned CGC is also directed to obtain instructions as to whether it would be possible to modify the transfer order in the places indicated by the petitioner. Full stop. Bara. Since this interim order has been passed without passed at the motion stage, comma, the same would be considered afresh on the returnable date when the learned CGC is equipped with the instructions. Okay.
Fast applied.
Give her extra copies.
Lot.
Extra copies लिखे दो ना.
Obliged.
Notice parallel extra copies.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, made your pertains to releasing of area salaries, the leave encashment, gratuity, your lordship, family pension, your lordship, of a missing government servant, your lordship. Here, your lordship, the husband of the petitioner number 1, as well as the father of the petitioner number 2, your lordship, was appointed as a helper, your lordship. In
When
the
did when did he go missing?
Lordship, 29 April 2013, your lordship. There is a report at page number 20, your lordship. The concerned police station issued that he was not traceable, your lordship. It is at page number 20, your lordship.
What happened to the suit?
Lordship, it was dismissed, your lordship.
Why?
Because of some evidence were not there, your lordship.
Then
Because
how do you draw the presumption if the suit has been dismissed against you?
it was
How do you
actually
draw the
why
presumption?
I have incorporated this environments, your lordship, because it was missing, it was in the year of 2013, your lordship. And in this period, your lordship, till 2013 till 2014, from 2013 till 2014, your lord, 2024, your lordship, we have done our level best, your lordship. We have given our effort.
No,
your
but
lordship.
see,
Because, your lordship, what
matter
happened?
would have been different that you have not approached the civil code at all. Still, then there are matters. You had
Because-
approached the civil code, that too in the year 2023,
23.
after the period of presumption is over, and
But
still you are not successful in getting a declaratory decree regarding the
your
presumption. And
lordship.
how do you
Here,
without
one rule is there, your lordship, at
Yes.
143A of Assam Service Pension Manual, your lordship.
yes.
Your lordship. Regarding that, your lordship, 143A, may I read your lordship, the portion, your lordship.
Mm.
The family pension and death sum retirement gratuity to the families of the government servant who suddenly disappears, leaving their families and whose whereabouts are not known shall be granted after observing the following formalities. When an employee disappears leaving his family, the family may be paid in the first instance the amount of salary due, leave encashment due, and the amount of GPF having regard to the nomination made by the employee. After the elapse of a period of 1 year is provided under sub-rule 5 below, other benefits like death sum, retirement gratuity, family pension may also be granted to the family, subject to the fulfilling of condition prescribed in the following sub-rules.
Where is the order of the civil court
Yes, lordship.
page?
32, your lordship.
32. Evidence recorded. Yeah, there is no mention about the presumption, the provision in the Indian Evidence Act.
That was there, your lordship. In the civil code, what happened, your lordship?
No, civil code, why do you approach the civil code? You come to the
Okay.
Evidence Act.
For declaration of lordship title as a late, your lordship. That you have received that, your
108.
lordship.
There was no
107.
such declaration which you had sought for.
Your lordship.
Your approach to the civil code was only for a death certificate.
That certificate,
That
lordship.
certificate can be given only upon a declaration by a civil court. That 108, you are met the requirements of 108.
Lordship.
He has not been heard for so many number of years.
Lordship.
As per presumption, as per the Evidence Act, presumption can be drawn, decree is there. But that is not your case even.
No, here my case is, your lordship, regarding releasing of this benefits, your lordship.
Benefit for what? You have to presume that he is dead.
But one provisions is there, your lordship, in the Assam Pension Service Rule. So, lordship, I'm relying on that, lordship.
Which one? 140?
143A, your lordship, rule. Specific
143.
3A, your lordship. Assam Service Pension Rules, your lordship.
Yes, which part? In case of disappearance, family pension that person disappears. Yes, what do you say on 143A?
It's a provision that appears.
What's the provision? You want this copy? You have the copy, 143A?
140 right now. I do not
You have this?
I have.
Okay.
Well, I- Under 143A, he is entitled.
At least for
Entitlement
at least for a consideration.
is considered because the.
This
procedure-
was changed in 2000, I think.
Yes.
This provision had come into
Yes,
effect in
Yes, yes,
2000.
yes, yes.
Now, read with my lord 108.
No, what we are trying to point out that even without being equipped with a declaratory decree regarding invoking 108, and also we had
Yes, yes, yes.
we have entertained writ petition,
Yes,
but
yes, yes.
she was unsuccessful in that. So won't that come as an impediment? Not to the writ court. Writ court can still, but
That is altogether different cause of
different
action. my lord,
cause of
different
action.
cause of
But
action.
there is a dismissal,
Yes.
and that dismissal has not been put to challenge.
Yes. That dismissal what prima facie appears, my lord, there is a fundamental defect in the plaint itself, my lord.
It was
Plaint
not 108 was
itself.
not.
Yes,
It
yes,
was
the
not.
drafting was not proper, my lord.
Okay. Heard Ms. Jibora,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. While the petitioner number 1 is the wife, comma, the petitioner number 2 is the daughter of
It's a son.
is the son of one Birachu Ganju, alias Bichua Ganju, alias Birchu Ganju. 3 names.
3 names for their lordship.
Birachu, Bichua, Birchu, who was working as a helper, as a regular helper in the office
That's one
of the executive engineer, comma, irrigation, comma, Koliabar. The said husband oblique father had gone missing on 29/4/2023
2013 lordship.
in 29/4/2013, in respect of which a GD entry 815 dated 30/4/2013 was recorded. An enquiry also made, even whereafter the person could not be traced out. Full stop. The petitioner had earlier approached this court by filing 4555 WPC 4555 of 2021. What happened to that?
That also, your lordship, withdrawn, your lordship, because the civil.
Which, however, was withdrawn, and a declaratory suit was filed in the court of the Munsif, learned Munsif Koliabor, being alive.
Page 32, my lord.
32 lordship.
That is to 28 oblique 2023.
Being TS 28 of 2023, which, however, was dismissed. Full stop. The learned council has relied upon the provisions of Rule 143A, capital A, of the Assam Service Pension Rule of 1969 and has made the present claim. Para. Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. 3. Irrigation, madam. DS new standing council irrigation 1,
3, 4, and 5.
1, 3, 4, and 5. Finance Art Varpujari, finance 2,
2 and 8, my lord.
2 and 8. 6 is A Chakraborty State Council. 7 is B Chakraborty Standing Council Accountant General. 7 extra copies. Okay. Returnable 6, na? Okay.
Macho.
Extra copies by 2 working days. Yes.
May I please, your lord? My lord, the petitioner.
Item? Yes, what is this?
My lord, the petitioners are serving as assistant commandant in Simabad.
Hmm.
The grievance is that, my lord, they, by the, against the impugned seniority list of the assistant commandant for the year 2018.
You are serving as in what capacity?
Assistant commandant.
Okay.
My lord, the crux of the issue is there. My lord, I am coming to page 88, the impugned seniority list. The petitioners who have joined much earlier than the private respondents, 4 to 36, have been shown seniority list below to them. So, my lord, the page 88, I am reading, my lord. They have relied rule of the 2003, 2012 and one office memorandum while fixing the seniority. My lord, the para 2.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Chakraborty?
First, let me take instruction because there is private respondent also lordship. Sources of recruitment are different. They are the limited
Okay.
departmental candidate.
Part 3 has not learned counsel for the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to seniority list dated 14/11/2024 in the cadre of assistant commandant within bracket GD
Right.
in the SSB. It is the case of the petitioner that the private respondents
4 to 36.
numbers 4 to 36 are junior to him, in spite of which they are placed above the petitioner.
Junior to them, 2 petitioners.
Huh? Two petitioners.
2 petitioners.
Oh, junior to them. Upor to petitioner likhiba, huh? Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 24th of January.
My lord, on private respondent, I pray that the notice to be served for respondent number 2.
Why?
My lord, they are,
Why should we burden them?
my lord, they are in different offices. I have explained.
You are the litigant.
My lord, exact postal location is, my lord, not.
He may ask for someone for representative capacity also.
My lord, it is seniority matter, my lord. I have to implement them, my lord. But they are in different offices, postal address not postal. I have explained in my writ.
Where have you explained?
My lord, I have
Where?
My-
Which paragraph? Can you serve Mr. Chakraborty?
Letting sub to the office of the Director General.
my lord, that will.
Through them only.
কি করলো returnable census 3B Chakraborty learned CGC accepts notice on behalf of respondents 1, 2 and 3. So far as service upon respondents 4 to 36 is concerned, comma, the learned counsel has drawn the attention of this court to paragraph
26.
26,
Page
Where-
30.
26,
page
wherein
36.
it has been stated that the exact places of postings are not known, and therefore the notice may be served through the respond number 2.
Right.
Para. Considering the above, comma, notices are allowed to be served upon the private respond numbers 4 to 36 through the office of the respond number 2. Para, let adequate numbers of petitions be served upon
No, Lordship, let him send it to the office of the.
let adequate number of petitions be served upon the office of the respond number 2 by the petitioner for consequent transmission of the same to the private respond numbers 4 to 36. Para.
My lord,
3. Nath prays for an interim order.
Yes.
Para. Considering that the aspect is of promotion, comma, this court is not inclined to pass any blanket order of stay. Full stop. However, it is observed that any promotion made in the meantime to the private respondents 4 to 36 based on the impugned seniority list, comma, the same would be subject to the outcome of this writ petition.
subject, apply, reply.
Item 22, supplementary issue.
May I pray, your Lordship? Lordship, before I pray, Lordship will produce page 16, Lordship.
1/6.
1/6, Lordship.
What is
Lordship, in
that?
the writ petition, there was a private respondent number 9. Lordship had refused to take up the matter.
Oh, that part, okay.
Lordship, Lordship.
But no, here in the
No,
contempt.
no, not a
con-
party.
Contempt then,
Then
how does it matter?
Lordship, so this contempt petition is filed for non-compliance of the order dated 25/6/2024, Lordship.
This petitioner is not connected to the private respondent number 9.
No, in this
Not-
contempt petition, we have not added the.
Not related.
No, no.
Okay. Okay, what is the order you're aggrieved?
Lordship, the order is 25/6/2024. Lordship, it starts at page number 15.
Page
and-
number?
Page number 15, it starts, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship will find the.
What is the operative part?
Lordship will find the effective portion at page 54, sorry, Lordship, 51, Lordship.
5-1.
51, Lordship.
Yes.
Page para 66, Lordship.
Mm.
As a sequitur to the above, the respondent authorities are directed to.
Para?
Page para 66, Lordship.
Page 51.
Page 51.
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes.
Lordship, may I read, Lord?
Yes, yes, please.
As a sequitur to the above, the respondent authorities are directed to reconsider the case of the petitioner by taking into consideration of the applicable rules and the office memorandums, notifications and observations and discussions made herein above.
Okay.
and
First, we am thus learned counsel for the petitioner who has alleged willful and deliberate non-compliance of the order dated 25/6/2024 passed in WPC so and so. The petitioner has also drawn the attention of this court to the representation dated, no date,
This dated 25/6/2024, Lordship.
where you get,
Lordship, page 52, Lordship.
where,
The Lordship will see the seal, Lordship. It was given on
not
27.
seal is not your date. Where is your date?
Lordship, date is not.
You don't
given,
give
Lordship.
dates in representation, which was
Lordship, the
received
date
on
is not.
27/6/2024.
27/6/2024.
Para, notice, 6 weeks, placed at post-it AD. Steps within 2 working days.
Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, Lord.
May it please, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, we are employees of APDCL, my lord, working
Yes.
as Sahayak and other posts, my lord.
contempt matter.
Yes, my
Where
lord.
is the order?
My lord would find the order at page 23A, my lord, of the contempt petition. And the relevant portion, my lord, would find in 23I and J, my lord, the effective portion. My lord, our grievance was,
23.
may I read my,
Yes, yes. No, where is the direction?
my lord? My lord, direction is in page 23J, my lord. May
Please
I read
read.
the operative part, my lord?
Please, yes. Please read.
Yes,
Take- Taking note of. Taking note of, please read.
yes, yes.
Taking note of the submission.
My lord, taking note of the. My lord, taking note of the submissions made at the bar, this writ petition stands disposed of by granting 10 days time to the petitioners to submit a fresh representation, ventilating their grievance in the matter before the reconstituted committee. If such a representation is submitted within 10 days from today by enclosing a certified copy of this order, the same may be considered objectively and appropriate orders may be passed as may be deemed fit and proper under the law. My lord, thereafter we have preferred a representation. My lord would kindly have it at page 24, my lord. Before the contender number 2, my opposite part. Requesting that our claim, we may also be included in the newly constituted committee.
811.
My lord, page 24, my lord, 24.
811.
811, my lord. Within 10 days we had filed. The order was 411, my lord.
Don't you think that you have come too early?
My lord, if my lord, subject to corrections, my lord, this committee was supposed, if we go by the order, my lord, this committee was supposed to be formed in the month of November. Now, my lord, our anxiety is if we are not included in the committee, then my lord, our claims will be infected.
Because my lord, it is their appointment only, that November.
You've come too early. We heard 3 P.R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioners who have alleged deliberate and willful non-compliance of the order dated 4/11/2024, passed in WPC 2923 of 2024. The learned counsel has also referred to the representation dated 8/11/2024, requesting for such compliance. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. That step, so within 2 days, registered posted AD within 2 days. Okay.
Deeply obliged, man.
Yes, what is this?
Yes, my lord, earlier, my lord, I filed one writ petition, my lord, WPC number 837/22, my lord, for family pension.
Hmm.
And in that case, my lord, respondent for one affidavit, therein, my lord, stated that my lord, regulation of the service of the husband of the petitioner was, my lord, cancelled. In this writ petition, I have challenged that order, my lord.
Oh.
That order is.
Heard N. Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner. It is the case of the petitioner that her deceased husband, Babulal Burman, was engaged as a khalasi in the office of the executive engineer, PHE Umrangsu. Full stop. The husband passed away on 27/5/2019, whereafter the petitioner had instituted a writ petition for family pension.
Yes.
Full stop. In the said proceedings, it was revealed that the regularization order of the husband of the petitioner was cancelled. Right, an order dated
7/10/2005, my lord.
7/10/2005. It is this order which is the subject matter of challenge in the instant writ petition. Para.
10,
Anything?
my lord, it is on, my lord, 10/2006, my
It is 10/2006.
Cancellation.
cancellation.
10/2006. Para. Let rule be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Yes. PHE. You have a PHE. What is your name? You are sitting counsel.
No, I'm appealing on the full.
Mr. J. Sharma.
B Sharma, B for Bombay.
Or Brijesh Sharma. Okay. So and so Brijesh Sharma is the sitting counsel PHE.
No, my lord. AG, I am the P.
Okay, then let him appear first. Come in your turn. AG comes later. 3 D Gogoi. Understanding counsel PHE. 1 and 1 3 4
my.
5 also. 5 also.
Normally Dima Hasa comes.
Okay, sorry. 1 3 and 4. Finance.
My lord.
Finance Arbor Pujari. Dima Hosa, anybody?
I am
Mrs.
assist them.
C Sharma was also there. Chinmay Sharma was there in the morning. C Sharma. For respond number 5, Standing Counsel Dima Hosa. And your name? D Das on behalf of Sri B Sharma, Standing Counsel Accountant General for respond number 6. Extra copies. Okay.
Public.
What is the I?
Is for, my lord, there is some mistake in the, my lord, synopsis. I have filed, my lord, press synopsis.
I was allowed.
No, my lord.
I always come along.
Without allowing, you have changed. Okay. I heard Sri N. Circle Learned Counsel for the applicant / petitioner, who by means of this IA has sought permission of this court to make certain correction in the synopsis in the connected WPC 5870 of 2024. Para. Also heard through and so, huh? who do not have objection to the same para, the permission to make the correction is allowed. Full stop. Highest tense disposed of.
I didn't do any file.
May I please? If, I am the GRS of Mohanpur Gau Panchayat, my lord.
Hmm?
I am the GRS of Mohanpur Gau Panchayat, my lord.
I think your this microphone is off. Is it on? Yes.
On, my lord.
Yes. You are the
I am the GRS of Mohanpur Gau Panchayat, my lord. I was absent from duties for 89 days, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I joined the service and filed representation for release of my salary, my lord.
okay.
Annexure 28, my lord, my representation was forwarded to the concerned authorities for release of my salaries, my lord. But till date, my lord, no decision has been taken, my lord, for release of my salary. So I approached this to my lord. The last.
You are HL Askar.
HLS.
R3 HL Askar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner whose grievance is with regard to non-payment of area salaries for the period 14/4/2013
Lordship, from 10/7/2013, my lord, when I was rejoined, my lord,
to
till date, my
10/7/2013 till date.
from 2013. I was absent from duties, my lord, 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013, my lord. And I.
You are still working.
Yes, my lord.
Is it possible?
Annexure 28, my lord, maybe same, my lord.
28 page.
28, my page 28, my lord, annexure 5, my lord.
Yes.
From bottom, my lord, the second paragraph, my lord. Now he has been performing his duties regularly.
But
From 13 you are
I'm absent from duties, my lord, for 89 days, my lord, for
understood.
medical reason, my lord.
Understood. From 2013 till 2024 you are working without salary.
Without salary, my lord.
Is it possible? 11 years. Where are you serving? What are you serving as? What
GRS,
duties? What duties are you doing for the
GRS,
last 11 years without salary? Which office?
GRS,
Where?
my lord.
Pleadings. Let's see your pleadings.
Lordship, under.
How do you explain your delay of 11 years?
Lordship, I approached before the authorities time to time, my lord. My last representation is, my lord, on.
Representation will extend your limitation.
At the last resort, my lord, I approached
Representation will extend your limitation. What has the division bench said? At best 3 years if you are actually working. 3 years from the date of filing, not beyond that. It's a barred stale claim.
Lordship, in the year 2017 also another proposal was sent, my lord.
Page
For page, my lord, 30, my lord.
30.
Yes, my lord.
Let's see.
But till date, no decision has been taken for me.
17. What is this? Relating to continuation of service. Please read. What is your prayer? Prayer for continuation of service. Where are you continuing? You're not even continuing.
Lordship, in the forwarding letter, my lord, it is clearly stated that, my lord, I am performing duties regularly, my lord. Page 28, my lord.
You see the entire, read the entire text, contents of page 30, second paragraph.
Let
Read
him
it.
take decision, my lord.
Read. What is there in the second paragraph, page 30? Please read.
Yes,
And
40, my lord.
page 30, second paragraph.
Yes, my lord.
In this context, it is necessary to mention, please read loudly. Please read loudly the second paragraph.
Yes, my lord. In this context, it is necessary to mention here that Sri Babul Bhushan Majumdar had been serving as DRS in this office, in this GP, with effect from 5/3/2010 till 13/4/2013. By the engagement letter such and such, status such and such, and thereafter he was suffering from a jaundice and thus he could not attend his duties since 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013, my lord. Thereafter I joined, my lord, annexure 28, my lord, kindly mention, my lord.
Annexure 28.
Lordship, page 28, annexure 5, my lord.
Yes. Where?
There is, my lord, from bottom, my lord, second paragraph. There was, therefore, he was suffering from jaundice and thus he could not attend his duties since 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013. Accordingly, the applicant is allowed to join him in this office, in this service, and now he has been performing his duties regularly.
Who is the secretary, madam?
But this one is 2013.
13.
Who is the secretary? Who is the secretary? Made a party or not?
Yes, my lord, made a party, my lord. Party here.
I think we'll have to invite the secretary to this court to seek explanation. He has issued this in 2013 and the next 2017, after
17.
allowing him to join, he forwards the letter of 2013 in the year 2017.
Lordship, it was 2013.
Your representation of 2013 has been forwarded in 2017.
No, my lord, 2013 letter is forwarded in 2013, my lord.
Where? Page 30. Come to page 30. What is the date? 10/1/17. I think the secretary is a very smart person. We have to interact with him.
We send it again, my lord. Repeat.
After 4 years,
That's what.
what is the name of this secretary?
I have no instruction.
Yes, he is your employee, secretary. Ask him.
Lordship.
Heard. Sri H.A. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. As per the facts projected, the petitioner was working as a Gram Rojgar Sahayak in the Mohanpur Gaon Panchayat under the Algapur development block in the district of Hailakandi. And he was absent from duties for the period 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013. Full stop. For medical reasons, full stop. Thereafter, he had that is not even your case for salaries. Your case is for continuation.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship,
Continuation and
next to
salary.
Page number 10, his pair is there.
Thereafter, he had filed representation for continuation of his service and consequent release of his salaries. Para. Let notice be issued. Your is only for continuation. Come to the prayer. How do you come after 10 years?
Appellate for taking decision,
Not by this court, sorry. Pit case.
Like-
For, no, this, killing, sir. No issue notice. Was remains so and so as by representation dated 10/7/2013. He was absent, huh? Absent for 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013. Okay. Full of medical reasons. The petitioner claims to have filed a representation on 10/7/2013 before the secretary for allowing him to continue in service, which was forwarded. Full stop. The petitioner had thereafter served further representation on 17/7/2024. Full stop. Para. Ms. Bora and Bora, the learned standing counsel PNRD, has however raised serious objection on the gross delay and laches in approaching this court. Full stop. She has highlighted the aspect that the grievance relates to a period of more than a decade earlier, and this writ petition has been filed on 2024. Para. The rival submissions have been considered. Para. Admittedly, the pleadings in the writ petition do not even indicate that after 14/4/2013, the petitioner had rendered his service. Full stop. Though the period from 14/4/2013 to 9/7/2013 has been said to be has been sought to be justified on medical grounds, there is not even a single document annexed regarding grant of such leave for such medical grounds. Para. What stares on the face of this court is the inordinate delay of more than a decade in approaching this court, that too for consideration of a representation submitted in the year 2013. Full stop. Though the learned counsel has referred to subsequent representation, including one dated 17/1/2024, it is a settled law that mere filing of representation would not extend the period of limitation. Be that as it may, this court, while exercising the powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, is a court of equity, wherein the bona fide and conduct of the party approaching this court is of paramount importance, and such bona fide and diligence and due diligence is an integral part of such bona fide. Para, in view of the aforesaid discussion, the present is not a fit case wherein any direction can be granted. Full stop. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed.
Line.
26.
Also, the petitioner is presently serving in the Assam Rifle, my lord. And initially, he was appointed as a warrant officer PA in the year 2017. And initially, his seniority was fixed in the year 2017, my lord. And as per that seniority role, my lord, his name was at serial number 4, my lord. But suddenly in the 2023, my lord,
the respondent authority revised and published the seniority list, my lord, and the name of the petitioner has been without a notice, put below to the name of the private respondent, my lord. So that's why I am before your lordship, today I am bringing for only notice.
Heard Sri V. Kumar, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by a letter by the action of the respondent authorities in revising a seniority list, causing prejudice to his client, to him. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Ms. Adhikari for all. No,
One,
no,
two,
the-
and three, my lord.
1, 2, and
Three.
1, 2, and 3 CGC, huh?
Yes, my lord.
Extra copies. That steps be taken for service of notice upon respond numbers 4, 5, 6, and 7 by registered posted ready. Steps within 2 working days.
My lord.
Depend.
1927.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, there is so many late to come to your lordship, my lord, in filing this petition, my lord. What happened, my lord? There is a departmental proceeding was initiated against the petitioner in the year of 1999, my lord. And at that time, my lord, I was suspended and I have been reinstated in the year of 2010. And the proceeding was concluded in the year of 2013. And in the meantime, my lord, I have approached the authority by filing an appeal, and appeal was disposed of in the year of 2014. During this period, my lord, I have approached the honorable your lordship, and then, my lord, what happened, my lord? This case was filed in the year of 2013. 2013 to 2023, that case was pending. That case was challenged against the findings of the departmental proceeding. But subsequently, my lord, in the year of 2014, my lord, the appeal was decided as per the lordship order. And what happened thereafter, my lord, that my promotion was considered, but due to pendency of this writ petition, my lord, my promotion was kept in the seal cover, my lord. And at that time, my lord, I began to know when I visited the office about my case. And then, my lord, I became to know about my findings from the appeal, my lord. And then, my lord, what happened, my lord, due to pendency of this case, and after passing the order at the appellate authority against the DP, and then, my lord, that petition automatically became infructuous, my lord, and accordingly, my lord, that case was dismissed for non-prosecution, my lord. And then, my lord, I have got the promotion, and my lord, now my challenge is against the findings of the appeal, my lord. This so much time has been consumed, but I am in the service still. What happened, my lord? The
Appellate authorities of which year?
in 2014, my lord. At that time, my lord, another writ petition was pending. That was, my lord, closed in the year of 2023, my lord.
But this 14 order, is it a case that you are not aware of the order?
My lord, I know
Then-
after when the DPC holding my.
How can you wake up after 1 decade?
After 10 years.
My lord, what happened, my lord? My promotion suspension period was very long, my lord. My lord, 99 to 2010, my lord. I was reinstated in the year of 2010, and that period was.
Your cause of action is of 2014. How do you espouse it in 2024? Tell us.
Stoppage of, my lord, stoppage of the, my lord, what happened, my lord? At that time, my lord, for disposal of my appeal, my lord, I have approached this honorable court. Honorable court says that the lordship will find that at page 52, if the petitioner is aggrieved by any order passed by the Secretary of the Government of Assam, Agriculture Department, the petitioner will be at liberty to pursue such remedies as may be available to him in law. Therefore, my lord, I approach your lordship. It is, my lord.
What are your pleadings regarding the delay?
Delay, my lord, that was, my lord, I have stated in my paragraph. My lord, that paragraph 11, my lord.
What if we are at paragraph 11, you have stated nothing?
But the copy was served to the petitioner.
Yes, my lord, I got the copy later on, my lord.
Where is the
When the
explanation?
That when, my lord, GPC, okay, the
Where is the
DPC,
explanation? Show us the pleadings.
my lord, that is in 11, my lord, till the
11,
DPC.
what have you stated?
Yes, my lord.
There is not a single line in paragraph 11 explaining the delay. The present challenge is against an order dated 11/6/2014 and has been instituted after a decade. Full stop. Sri Barua, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has, however, submitted that the petitioner is still in service. Full stop. The petition lacks any cogent and acceptable explanation regarding the delay in approaching the court. Para. The petitioner is granted liberty to file additional affidavit to explain the delay of a decade, and only after such explanation is found to be a convincing one, this court would take up the matter for entertaining.
Obliged.
Sri J. Ms. J. Bora,
Liberal.
G. Bora, learned Standing Council Agriculture, is present. List after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Very quickly. The pursuant to departmental proceedings, the authorities have imposed a penalty of dismissal from service upon the petitioner. However, my lord, while issuing the second so-called notice, the disciplinary authority in a predetermined manner has said that I agree with the findings of the inquiry officer and are supposed to impose penalty of dismissal.
Okay, heard Sri J. Patwari, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by an order of dismissal from service dated.
31/7/2024.
See your synopsis.
Oh, that's appropriate.
31/7.
2024 is
202.
202.
I will file an amended.
BC or AD, you have to write then. It may be BC also.
I apologize, my lord. Typing error.
Not typing error, your error. Typing error, you have not even seen and presented. 2024. Ki kolu? Is aggrieved by? Dated 31/7/2024.
Annexure 9.
Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the procedure established in law, especially pertaining to give an effective opportunity to defend the case, has not been followed. Para, that will be issued returnable by 6 weeks. For all, Mr. Chutia?
All.
Mr. Chutia, all respondents, extra copies.
Deeply obliged. Obliged.
Item 29.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, matter is with regard to dismissal of from service, my lord. The petitioner, he was serving as additional superintendent of police, Lorong district, my lord. As per rule 24, my lord, the appeal was also submitted on, my lord, 24/1/2024, but till date, the appeal has not been disposed of. My lord.
Okay. Heard Sri M.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by an order of dismissal from service passed on
2/1/2024.
2/1/2024. The petitioner was serving as
Additional superintendent of
additional superintendent of police
police, Lorong district.
in the Dorang district, and against the order of dismissal, he has also preferred a departmental appeal, which is yet to be considered. Para, let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Sri Goswami, J.K. Goswami, edition 1
127.
127, 1 not 7, 6. 7 is by name.
By name, lordship.
1 to 6. 8 is by C. Barua, Accountant General. You are also there. Oh, not 1 to 7. You are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Not 2. Or not 3. 3 is finance. J.K. Goswami likhiba 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. 3 likhiba finance by R. Borpujari, Finance Department. 8 C. Barwa, Accountant General. Extra copies within 2 working days. 7 registered post with AD. Steps within 2 working days.
My lord, may I pray, my lord, the pendency of this
Pendency of this writ petition shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the appeal.
Deeply obliged. Highly obliged.
Item 30.
I4,
Wait,
yes,
please, your lord.
I4,
I, for your lordship, a correction, a mistake has occurred, your lordship, in the course title yourself, while mentioning the name of the respondent number 1, your lordship. Now the name has been changed, your lordship. Mistaken lie, you have the earlier name, your lordship.
Harthree E. Ahmed, learned counsel for the applicant petitioner, who has filed this IA 4005 of 2024 for correction of the name of the respondent number 1, which was inadvertently written in the writ petition by stating Labor and Employment Department, which has to be Skill Employment and Entrepreneurship Department.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. Also heard Miss A. Talukdar, Learned State Council, para, who does not have any objection. Full stop. No, this is only for the IA. The correction is allowed to be done in for description of the respondent number 1. I stand disposed of. Yes, what is the writ petition?
Your lordship, the petitioner numbering 12, your lordship, they have been serving as junior instructor, your lordship, in different ITIs of Assam, your lordship.
Okay.
It's been more than 30 years, your lordship, they have been serving, your lordship. Earlier round of litigation, your lordship, this honorable court had directed to initiate a process for their regularization, your lordship. This, your lordship, will find the
Harthree E. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners who are 12 in numbers.
one have retired, your lordship.
Who are 12 in numbers,
Yes.
have approached this court for with the grievance of the regularization in service. Full stop. They were appointed as junior instructors in various ITIs within ITIs, SO. And this court, in an earlier round of litigation, had directed for taking steps for the regularization.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. It is also informed that one of the petitioners has, in the meantime, surpassed the age of superannuation, and for him, the post-retirement benefit would also be relevant. Para, let notice be issued.
I'm
Returnable.
also praying for the post-retirement benefit, your lordship, pursuant to some office memorandum I have enacted, your lordship.
Let notice be issued returnable by 6 weeks. Madam, for 1, 2,
1, 2 and 4 large.
1, 2 and 8 alluded, 1, 2 and 4. 3, Accountant General, SK Medhi, Standing Council, Accountant General. Extra copies within 2 working days. Yes.
Rajin.
Item 31.
Please, your lord. Well, the petitioners of prescriptive advertisement, my lord, applied for the post of Constable General Duty in the various central armed forces. Now, my lord, for the Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, they, as a matter of policy, only issued temporary residence certificate, my lord. Now, my lord, in terms of the advertisement, my lord, you will find, my lord, that page 21, my lord, those from states and union territories, my lord, have to submit, my lord, TRC.
How do you spell your name?
My lord?
Petition number 1?
Ujjwal, my lord. Ujjwal.
Not Ujjwal. Ujjwal.
Ujjwal.
UJJAVAL.
That's
Not
right.
W.
Yes, man. That's how it pronounced it.
You are brighter than the others. Ujjwal. More than Ujjwal.
My right.
Yes.
I mean, like, as far as Arunachal Pradesh is concerned, they only issue TRCs.
Yes, Mr. Mahanta. What is Ujjwal?
Yep.
Ujjwal. is a superlative form of Ujjwal. Yes, the petitioner, his name is Ujjaval. Ujjaval.
Perhaps, my lord, while writing it was wrongly, my lord.
It was not wrongly, it was rightly done. Because his father's name is Pavan. His name should not have been Ujjaval. His name should have been Maruti.
Man.
Pavan Putra.
True.
Yes, what is it?
My lord, so far as the Arunachal Pradesh is concerned, they only issue with TRCs, my lord. Now, my lord, as per clause 3.3, my lord, domicile certificate of permanent residential certificates are to be, my lord, submitted, my lord. And, my lord, once the document verification is complete, my lord, only then medical, my lord, examination is to be permitted, my lord. 3.3, my
What
lord,
is the stage of the recruitment?
now, my lord, recruitment is taken place. Final list has been published, my lord. We have been, our candidates have been cancelled. Now, my lord, against that, we have come, my lord. My lord, there is a second, my lord, new advertisement that has been issued, my lord, which is there are a number of posts available, my lord, which of course the selections are yet.
Now, your grievances against whom then? Is it against the recruitment authority or against the state?
Recruitment authorities in the state, both, my lord, recruitment authorities, my lord, the SSC, my lord, have
If
made
they are
the parties.
prescribed, if they have, there's a prescription of producing PRC, can it be the fault of the recruitment authority?
Because, my lord, for Assam, my lord, they say, my lord, that since PRC and, my lord, is not issued, domicile certificate not, they have a field verification process. But here, what has
No,
happened?
for PRC for education purpose.
No, my lord, in Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, for Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, all the candidates, other candidates have been selected on the basis of, my lord, PRC, my lord. Only why we have been left out, my lord? Because Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, no one can produce, my lord, PRC, my lord. If I'm not wrong, my lord. Yes, only the scheduled tribe. General people, my lord. General, my lord, candidates, my lord.
The scheduled tribe candidates from the Arunachal Pradesh, matter of policy, my lord,
Yes.
not given to the, they are temporarily residing.
No, but Lordship will see the certificate, my lord. Lordship will see the certificate, my lord. Page, my lord.
You are residents of which place?
We families are residing, we are residing there, my lord.
Where?
Arunachal, my lord. Well, that-
Recruitment is of which place?
my lord, all over India, my lord, but state-wise, my lord, there are vacancies, my lord.
You are aspiring for Assam.
Arunachal.
Now, why are you moving here?
Moving here because, my lord, the CRPF is the nodal authority here, my lord. CRPF, my lord, Guwahati is the nodal authority. The SEC, my lord, is the regional office is at Guwahati, my lord. They have the conduct of the examination, my lord. That's why I'm moving it here, my lord.
The examination is held here.
Here, my lord. My lord, it's my lord, by my lord, the Staff Selection Commission, my lord, Northeastern Region, my lord, Guwahati, my lord, and the Director General CRPF, my lord.
Sri M. Datta, Learned Counsel for the petitioners.
My lord, my prayer, my lord, let them obtain instructions, my lord, as to, my lord, how, my lord, they have, my lord, appointed general candidates.
Petitioners who are aggrieved by the decision of the authorities for rejecting their candidatures for the post of Constable GD in the CAPFS, Central Armed Police Forces. The primary reason of such rejection is that they are not equipped with PRC domicile certificates and have temporary residence certificate, correct?
My lord, that is specifically issued for the purpose of, my lord, appointment in paramilitary forces.
It
Page
is
92.
submitted that such rejection is absolutely arbitrary and unreasonable and would be against the principles governing public employment.
And also discriminatory because others have been appointed on the first basis, my lord.
Arbitrary, unreasonable, and discriminatory. Let notice be issued, returnable by 4 weeks. Yes, madam, for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
as Barua, CGC for 1, 2, 3,
3, 4,
4, 3 and 4, 3, 4.
4.
What about 5?
5.
5 also CGS, my lord.
5, you can.
Sorry, Deputy Commissioner, my learned
No,
friend, my
no,
learned friend will be.
Assam Rifles Administrative.
6, my lord.
No, 5
Assam
you can.
CGS, my lord.
Yes, no,
6 is Deputy Commissioner.
5 you can take.
I'm appealing for 6.
5.
5 is Assam Rifle.
Sri
yes, I can.
B.D. Goswami. Learned. You appear as a state council. Okay. Sri B.D. Goswami, learned AAG, Arunachal Pradesh, appears and accepts notice on respondent. Number 6, let extra copies be served upon the learned counsel for the respondents within 2 working days.
My lord, the interim prayer may be considered on the returnable date.
What interim prayer?
There are vacancies in the my lord, next selection process. Therefore, my lord, under the vacancies are filled up, my lord, the process will become infructuous, my lord. Petition will become
We
infructuous.
cannot halt
No, my lord. I'm saying only
recruitment
5,
process.
my lord, only 5 posts, my lord.
We have a returnable date. Get the instructions and
My
try to
lord.
respond.
So, my lord, by
Returnable on Kuriji. Returnable on 24th,
my lord.
24th of January. You bring instructions.
Yes. My lord.
We'll try to consider.
My lord. My lord, item of 33 is similar, my lord. 2 petitioners.
33,
Similar.
similar.
2 petitioners. Okay.
Okay, and area of parties, respondents.
Same, my lord. Same. Exactly. Oblige, my lord. My lord, sorry, 24th January, my lord. 24th January, my lord.
We had said 24th.
4th, my lord. My lord, can it be preponed to my lord in the month of February? I will not be available.
22nd?
Well, yes, 22nd.
22nd of
22nd.
January. Okay.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item 32.
Mr. Bhuya?
My lord, may I please your lord. My lord, matter relate to promotion, my lord, from the post of junior account assistant.
Icon खुल गया.
My lord.
बहुत जमा रहे ना. Yes, what is the matter?
My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, promotion from the post of junior account assistant to the post of senior account assistant, my lord. My lord, the seniority.
In which department?
We are in the junior.
In which department?
My lord.
Which department?
Department is the, my lord, finance, my lord, in the treasury office. Establishment is the treasury office, Half-Long, my lord. My lord, the seniority aspect has been violated by wrongly appreciating the, my lord, 13-point roster, my lord. That is our very limited prayer, my lord. If my lord may
Lord
be
Sri
pleased-
A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioners who were aggrieved by their non-promotion from the post of junior accounts assistant to senior accounts assistant. It is the case of the petitioner that the roster point for reservation has been wrongly applied.
My lord.
Para, let notice be issued returnable on 24th of January 2025. Yes, how many pages you have the cost title?
My lord,
Only 18 pages.
my lord,
Why do you need 18 pages for cost title?
my lord, actually.
What is this kind of presentation of a petition?
My lord,
Is it assisting or obstructing?
my lord, actually, in my absence, it has been.
No, whoever.
My lord,
Cost title is what?
just to present the cause, my lord.
Presently cost, that's
My-
all. 2 pages maximum.
My lord, my-
And if there are a number of respondents or petitioners, then it will be more. Here, even if you
my lord,
reduce the pages of the names of the parties,
my lord.
then also it's 15 pages.
15 is the.
15 pages. Is
15
it
from-
required? Unnecessarily you're burdening to
My-
your cause, the cause of the court. Let notice be returnable on so and so. Yes, who is respondent number 1?
One is not properly.
Who is
my
respondent
lord,
number 1?
fine.
Lord, Commissioner and Secretary, it should be the finance
Where?
department.
How do you assume? Finance or health or education?
Finance, my lord. My lord,
You're saying will not do. Why are you doing this kind of things?
finance.
3. Our purpose accept notice on behalf of finance department. Action for 1.
1, 2, and 5, my lord.
Director of accounts will have
Yes,
1, 2,
and 5.
1, 2, and 5. Treasury officer, how long you can take?
Yes,
Half long?
my lord. Yes, 5. 5.
Okay.
1, 2, and 5.
And 3. Personnel,
3 and 6.
A. Chakraborty, 3 and 6. State Council. 4 is WPT and BC. Okay. extra copies. Then rest 6 and 7 and 8,
my lord. 7 and 8 are the private.
registered post with AD. That's within 2 days. 2 working days.
My lord.
Returnable করেছো না? Okay. Okay. Yes, thanks.
Obliged.
Good to see you back in the court, Mr. Bhuya.
My lord.
Good to see you back in the court.
My lord. Obliged, my lord. I'll come.
Mr. Roy Chaudhary, what is this?
Petitioner was appointed as a constable.
Very bad case.
But only thing is this, my lord, the inquiry which was made.
We have not opened the papers
My lord, my lord,
because they are moving on the last date. We are thinking that will be a very bad case.
my lord, it can be, my lord, because the domicile certificate was not issued from the state,
But even on the last date, we may dismiss a case.
my lord. It's up to your lordship, my lord. Thing is this, my lord,
What
I
is
have
this?
filed an appeal.
You are what?
I am a constable appointed in the CISF. My lord, in the probationary period, my lord, I have submitted all my documents as regards Aadhaar card and others, that I am a resident of Kachar in the state of Assam. I was appointed in the airport of New Delhi. Thereafter, my lord, there was an inquiry made at the back of me where they found that I am not a permanent resident of Kachar. And so, without a show cause, they have terminated me. The provisions are there. On the
But it was in the probationary period.
probationary period, the rules provide that they can terminate me without a show cause. But the inquiry which was held behind my back, that I am not a resident, which is not correct. My lord. And ultimately, I filed an appeal under Rule 26. And the Rule 26 provides they can go for a fresh inquiry, which has been received by them on 11/11/24. And I was
But appellate authority has to come to a conclusion
conclusion.
that you have been able to make out a case for
My lord, my
the
lord.
redirecting a fresh inquiry.
My lord, my lord.
If it's in a
Rule 26.
probationary period, your antecedents are found to be doubtful.
My lord, the Inspector General may, on his own motion or otherwise, reopen the case and make such inquiry as he thinks fit may, as he thinks.
So
fit may.
inquiry, the Inspector General has to come to a finding that there has been gross failure of
My lord,
justice, miscarriage of justice.
my lord, my lord.
Are you saying that you are not a permanent resident of
I am a
Kachar?
permanent resident of Kachar. All my documents shows, and I filed an affidavit also to that extent. So while during appointment,
What is that document?
my lord, your lordship will find the Aadhaar card is there. My lord, your lordship, at page 28, your lordship will find this is the other backward classes certificate,
Page 28.
28. That is from Kachar. Then, my lord, next page 29, Aadhaar card, where my address is shown as Kachar.
Who are parties here in this proceeding?
My lord,
Who are
the
the respondents?
respondents, my lord, Union of India, Director General, Inspector General, Commandant, District Commissioner, Additional District Manager.
State is not a party, your state is a party. Okay. Heard. Free P.K. Roy Chaudhary. You are P.K. Roy Chaudhary,
My lord.
not his younger brother.
No, my lord, I am not.
We
Though there
remem-
is a transformation,
we remember a different P.K. Roy Chaudhary.
my lord, I understand. Difference of 27 kgs,
27 kilos.
kilos.
The court can write something else, some other name. Younger brother.
And
27 kilos.
my lord, from 116 to 89.
They may take you for modeling.
My lord, in the negative.
Modeling, no, not modeling. I mean for endorsement of a product.
Product.
This is how you reduce.
Well, only restriction of food.
Before and after.
Before and after. I've given some photos.
Okay, inspiration for us.
My lord.
Okay. Or Sri P.K. Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, whose grievance is his removal, what do you call?
Termination from
His
service.
termination from service,
Page 44.
vide an order dated
4/10/24.
4/10.
Page 44. 4/10/24. What type of-
You don't give the date in the synopsis.
My lord, that was a mistake I have told my.
4/10/2024. Full stop. As per the projected case, the petitioner petitioner after participation in a recruitment process was appointed as a constable GD in the CISF and was on probation for 2 years. And in that period, he was posted in the Delhi airport. First of, however, on the allegation of certain error in his documents, comma, the impugned termination order has been passed. The petitioner, the learned counsel has also submitted that in this connection,
850.
an appeal has been preferred and the appellate authority has the power to redirect the inquiry. Full stop. It is submitted that the impugned decision has been taken without giving any opportunity to the petitioner. Para. Let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. So, Vishwakarma for
1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
you are CGC.
No, my lord, on behalf
On
of
SP
Mr.
Chaudhary. You are what Vishwakarma?
K.
K.
Vishwakarma.
Vishwakarma Learned Counsel. Appearing on instruction of 3 SP Chaudhary, Learned CGC accepts notice on behalf of response number 1,
2,
2, 3, and 4. District Commissioner and Additional District Magistrate, A. Chakraborty, State Council 5 and 6, extra copies within 2 working days. Okay.
Like, pendency may not be barred to dispose of that appeal.
Para. Pendency shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the appeal in accordance with, which however has to be done strictly in accordance with law.
10:35.
The petitioner is a sub-inspector in the CRPF. Here, Lordship, the issue revolves around a date of advertisement for Lordship, the post of SI, so ASI, where he was, Lordship, when he was recruited, and to grant of old pension. And
Grant of?
granting of old pension scheme on the
Okay.
issue of a date.
Part 3. Yeah, we had
Yes,
note
one.
Part 3. A.R. Tahvildar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has approached this court with a grievance in connection with
Grant of old
the
pension.
pension. Full stop. The petitioner claims that he is entitled for such pension under the old pension scheme.
No.
And
Authority
the controversy revolves around the date of his initial appointment,
date of advertisement
date of advertisement as ASI,
as
ASI in the
CRPF.
CRPF. Para. Let other cases,
Lordship, WPC number 6739.
let notice be, let rule be issued.
Lordship, notice, Lordship.
Let notice be issued,
Lord.
returnable by 6 weeks.
Lord.
Yes, you would be accepting for?
All.
Sri Bora, the learned CGC accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies, 2 working days. The learned counsel for the petitioner has informed that similar issues are pending in a number of cases, including WPC
6739 2023. Lordship, it is only similar with this only. Not a-
there is another writ petition, a number of cases, Nakoba, being WPC 3969,
6739 of
6739 of
2024.
24 para. List along with the said writ
Lord.
petition.
Obliged,
Number
Lord.
number 2 loisa balke. Number loisa 67.
6739.
Okay, next.
Obliged, Lord.
Item 36.
Mr. Mishra, what is this?
A dispute between seniority between petitioner and respondent number 6, my lord.
Regarding
Seniority dispute, my lord. between the
which post?
they both are working in junior assistant, my lord. Now the next post is for senior assistant, my lord. But for gate 3, my lord.
What is
Gate
the
3.
what is the basis? How do you claim that you are senior?
Well, my date of appointment is prior to the date of appointment of the respondent number 6, my lord. Now, my lord, they followed a rule, my lord, for my lord placing me below the respondent number 6, my lord. The rule is not applicable to me. I have to fulfill the rules, my lord.
What is the rule about?
This rule about, my lord,
Assam Taxation Service Rules 1995. Yeah, my lord, the cadre is up to inspectors only, my lord. Does not include ministerial staff, my lord. Now, my lord, relying
What does
upon,
it say?
my lord,
Okay,
Rule
Hers
3.
free. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, who is aggrieved by, who has raised the seniority issue with the respondent number 6.
My lord.
It is submitted that the petitioner was appointed as junior assistant in the office of
Respondent number 5, my lord.
name in the office of the assistant
Commissioner of Taxes.
assistant of taxes Dibrugarh on a prior point of time, in spite of which, by wrong application of a set of rules,
My lord.
the respondent number 6 has been sought to be treated senior to the
My lord.
petitioner
In the gradation list, my lord.
in the gradation list. Para, let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Finance,
Lordship, I am appealing.
finance taxation.
Yes, sir.
Sri B. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel finance written by taxation for 1 to
Except 6, all rest.
1 to 5, extra copies 2 working days, 6 registered post AD, steps 2 working days.
I be implemented also because on the basis of the gradation list, they may promote respondent number 6, my lord. And apparently, my lord, the rule they have applied is not applicable on me, my lord. Therefore,
Are you contemplating to make any promotion?
Oh, Lordship, that information I.
Sri Mishra, the learned standing learned counsel for the petitioner prays for an interim order.
my
Full stop. In this regard, he has submitted that while the petitioner was appointed on 11/3/2015 as junior assistant, comma, the respondent was 6 was appointed on
my lord, 24/12/2015, my lord.
24/12/2015. Para, considering the above, comma, till the returnable date, comma, status quo as on today be maintained so far as the aspect of promotion, so far as the aspect of consideration of promotion to the post of senior assistant is concerned. Full stop. Para. Since this interim order is passed ex parte qua the respondent number 6 and without instructions, comma, the respondents may come up for modification, alteration, vacation, if so advised.
Deeply applauded.
I didn't register it.
Mr. Mishra, take this back. Yes, Mr. Das?
Look, this is the association. Look, they are staff nurse, graduate staff nurse. Look, they are basically aggrieved by the decision of the respondent, wherein the feeder post of staff nurse, that is Lady Hale Visitor, LHV, they were decided to be considered for promotion to the next higher post of public health nurse, that is PHN. I'll just take your lordship with the rules first, my lord. Lordship will kindly come to the schedule 2 of rules of 1991. They are governed by the Assam Nursing Service Rules 1991. These are 309 rules. It starts.
No, what is your grievance today?
Well,
Today we are
grievance is-
having a motion matter.
Yes, my lord. So here, my lord, as per the schedule 2, page 33, lordship will kindly come the relevant portion 34. This serial number 14, Lady Hale Visitor, is the feeder post of staff nurse.
Yes.
Now, this Lady Hale Visitor has been sought to be merged or equated with the staff nurse, and they are sought to be considered to the post of PHN, public health nurse, which is LHV is never a feeder post for my lord PHN. And that decision your lordship will find in the minutes, that is page 67.
How are you aggrieved?
My lord, the incumbent.
What is your promotional aspect of avenues? How do you, if from our graduate staff nurse, you get promoted?
PHN.
PHN.
Yes. So they have
And
determined
this lady health visitor was one grade below you.
below me.
They get promotion to your post,
Yes.
your cadre,
Yes,
and then they get a chance to be promoted to
then
PHN.
PHN,
What is PHN?
public health nurse. Now they have identified 24 posts in A&M school, which are PHN posts. Now this PHN post in A&M school can only be, my lord, filled by the staff nurse because they'll teach. For teaching, they need degree. So this lady health visitor, they don't, they are not degree holder. So if your lordships kindly come to page 67 for a moment.
Now, is there a difference between staff nurse and graduate staff nurse?
No, staff nurse has to be BSc, my lord, BSc or higher, my lord.
A
Same thing.
graduation degree.
Graduation degree, same thing.
No, diploma holder can.
No, here the petitioner is, my lord, petitioners are, my lord, the graduate staff nurse.
No, that we understand.
Yes, ma'am.
You are the All Assam Graduate Staff Nurses Association.
Yes.
But to hold the post of staff nurse, is it a pre-requirement that you have to be a graduate or above, or you can be a diploma holder also?
Diploma holder also.
Staff nurse qualification, my lord, is there.
Now, this equivalency of lady health visitor would be made equivalent to staff nurse or graduate staff nurse?
They are made equivalent to, my lord, as per the minutes. Staff nurse, BSc nursing, yes, staff nurse with BSc nursing. That means,
Graduate
my lord,
staff nurse.
graduate staff nurse.
BSc
No,
nursing.
no, staff nurse oblique BSc nurse.
Yes, staff nurse, oblique
Oblique
BSc
BSc
nursing,
nursing.
oblique post-basic diploma course.
Oh, these are different, but they are meant to sought to be made
But-
equivalent.
As per the recruitment rule, staff nurse.
Now, what is your grievance now?
Now the grievance is that, my lord, page 67, if you'll also kindly take up.
67.
Yes. This is the minutes of the meeting dated 5/11/24. My lord, here at serial number 1,
67. Yes, please.
all LHB LHS nurse from A&M cadre who have completed 1-year diploma course in public health nursing course and all nurses from staff nurse BSc nursing post-basic diploma course as per seniority list will be eligible for promotion to the post of PHN. So LHB and LHS who has completed 1-year diploma course in public health nursing were sought to be equated with staff nurse and considered for promotion to the post of PHN. Second is that, my lord, there are 24 vacant posts exist in PHN exist. The minutes of the joint meeting committee of the director has so-and-so wherein for promotion to the post of PHN from A&M cadre and staff nurse was decided to be 70% and 30% respectively and was taken into consideration. Accordingly, for the existing vacancies, 17 posts were decided to be filled up from A&M cadre.
But Mr. Das,
My lord.
how, where are the affected persons in this petition?
My lord, the affected persons, the members of the petitioners association.
No. The
Sorry, my lord.
persons who would be affected by any decision taken.
Here, my lord, till date, no promotion has been given, but they are contemplating to promote because they have already taken decision.
Aren't you required to make them parties here?
My lord, till date, no promotion because
No, if you pass an interview or if you if we interfere with the decision, your grievance is against 511. 511 has by 511 some right has been accrued upon or at least consideration part.
no,
They are
here-
not here.
Here, basically, I am against the decision of the respondent, the decision taken by the respondent against the spirit of the rule. As per rules,
But
stating
won't it affect the private respondent, the parties who are they are not before us?
till date, no promotion has been given as of now. They are only, they have taken this decision in the minute. No effective order. promoting-
What is your stage now, Mr. Bora?
My lord, says my lord, after that another meeting has been held and gradation list has been prepared. And secondly, my lord, one point out, I would like to point out one thing, my lord. These minutes have been, my lord, 70% and 30% or A&M with 1-year diploma cadre. It has been decided in an earlier minute, my lord. And this minute has been held on the basis of that minute dated 3/11/2021. So in that minute, my lord, that particular decision has been taken, my lord.
There is another minutes
Yes, my
earlier.
lord, on 3/11 in the year 2020. And on the basis of that minute, already one round of promotion has been made, my lord. Earlier.
No instructions, my lord. No PHN post, my lord, this 24 PHN post, the petitioners are.
There was in any earlier occasion,
No.
persons who were upgraded from lady health visitor to the cadre of graduate staff nurse or staff nurse have been given promotion to the next post of public health nurse.
My lord, but clause number 2 specifically says that, my lord, there was a minute earlier. There was a minute earlier.
Please read.
It doesn't say that already promotion has been
But
made.
minutes were
Minutes
there.
of the
my lord.
meeting date is so and
The
so.
minutes of the
Date
3/11/2021.
21.
Yes, my lord.
No, my lord, there is no instructions as of now. Because this 24,
Because I
Lordship will
have
calculate,
Okay.
at present 24 vacant post of exist. The minutes of the meeting dated so and so, so and so.
Heard Sri H.K. Das, learned counsel, who, for the petitioners, who is aggrieved by the decision dated 5/11/2024 pertaining to the promotional aspect to the post of public health nurse.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
The
In
petitioners,
A&M school, my
the
lord.
petitioners, the members of the petitioners association, petition number 1 association are graduate staff nurse.
Yes.
And it is the contention of the petitioners that it is the feeder cadre for the post of public health nurse. Correct?
LHB is the feeder cadre of my lord graduate, my lord staff
No,
nurse.
you are
Yes.
feeder cadre for
Yes.
public health nurse. However, the post of a lady health visitor, which was the feeder cadre for graduate staff nurse, has been sought to be equated with the cadre of the petitioners and consequently being considered for further promotion to the post of public health nurse.
Yes.
Full stop. It is submitted that the impugned decision is against the rules holding the field, and without there being a promotion of the existing lady health visitor first to the cadre of graduate staff nurse cannot be considered unilaterally for promotion to the higher cadre of public health nurse. Para. That notice be issued returnable on, wait, please give a date. Returnable on 22nd of January 2025. Sri D.P. Bora, Learned Standing Council, Health and Family Welfare Department accepts notice number 1. All the respondents.
Yes.
Extra copies,
Yes.
2 working days. Para. Sri Das, the Learned Counsel for the petitioners, pray for an interim order. Para. The said prayer has, however, been strenuously opposed by the Learned Standing Council by submitting that the impugned minutes itself would make it clear that a similar procedure was adopted in the year 2021, which is not the subject matter of challenge. Full stop. Para. Considering the above and balancing the equities, comma, it is provided that if any promotional exercise is undertaken in the meantime, comma, no final order of promotion be published till the next returnable date.
Right.
Full stop. The aforesaid direction would, however, be reconsidered after obtaining the necessary instructions, including the aspect of the earlier process in the year 2021.
Appellate.
Highly applied. Deeply applied.
Item 38.
Let the Lord.
Yes, Mr.
Lord,
Das?
The issue is same as that of item number 29, my lord. Dismissal. Only, my lord, the petitioner is the superintendent of police, Sorong district, my lord. One small, my lord, inadvertent mistake has been done, my lord. Respondent number 7, my lord. It ought to have been different, my lord. I have, my lord, it's matter, my lord. I have given. I'll file an IA, my lord, for rectification of, my lord.
You file first. Here is by name. We will not be able to issue notice.
Yes, my
You
lord.
could have done yesterday or this morning. You could
Today,
have,
my lord, morning.
one page would be enough, would have
Yes.
been enough.
Yes, my lord.
We will consider.
I'll
Okay.
file an IA, my lord.
You file an I.
After
Then we'll
the
issue notice. Okay.
Vacation, my lord.
Okay.
Please may kindly take it.
Sri Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner, at the outset has submitted that due to inadvertence, the respondent number 7 has been wrongly described. Full stop. He prays for and is granted liberty to file an IA for such correction. Full stop.
Today
Let-
itself, I'll-
Let such IA be filed and the writ petition be and the writ petition be listed for motion along with the IA immediately on the reopening.
deeply open. Deeply open.
It is a different inquiry officer, Mr. Das. Different inquiry officer. You file it.
My lord.
Okay.
Okay.
Item 39.
Made please, your lord. Impugn order at page 78, my lord. Page 73, my lord. So first DP, my lord. Inquiry report submitted, that was not communicated.
One
to-
matter we had considered few days back.
Yes, my lord. That is now that in that case, my lord, I am challenging the second DP, my lord, because although that second DP goes in my favor, my lord. Because of initiation of that.
Third
wrong,
Sri
my lord.
T.J. Mahanta Learned Senior Counsel
This is third DP.
for
my lord.
the petitioner assisted by Sri Ms. D. Mahanta. P. Sharma. P. Sharma for the petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is a departmental proceeding initiated on 16/12/2024. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that such proceeding is in violation of Rule 9A of the Assam Service within bracket Discipline and Appeal bracket close rules 1964. He has also, the Learned Senior Counsel has also placed before this court, yes, judgment.
My lord. And the pleading judgment is, my lord, Kunjo Bihari, my lord. That is 1998 7 SCC 84
PNB.
PNB.
And what else?
And another one, my lord. That State Bank of India versus Mono.
No, these are on the aspect of if the disciplinary proceeding differs with the findings favorable to you. We are on the aspect of a second DP. Where is the case law?
The second law there is Punjab National Bank, my
No,
lord.
no, no. Kunj Bihari Mishra
Kunj Bihari.
and Yoginath Bagde, that Maharashtra case.
Kunj Bihari, my lord.
Kunj Bihari, these
That-
are on
that
the
is-
aspect of if the disciplinary authority
My lord.
wishes to differ with the findings favorable to a delinquent, he has to give another notice.
My lord.
Now here you are challenging a fresh DP.
No, my lord.
What?
No, my lord. Decision to initiate same, my lord. Your lord.
Same fresh disciplinary
Same
proceeding.
decision.
You said that under Kunj Bihari Mishra, he could have given you another show cause.
My lord.
But you cannot initiate a second DP.
My lord.
There are exact case laws on this,
My lord. Probably.
of this High Court.
Of this I
Yes,
only, my lord, that probably we are talking for.
Mr. Datta. These are not the cases. These cases will no doubt help you. But there are cases exactly on this point. Number of cases. Molloy Kumar Bora, then Mudoi, B.R. Mudoi,
Yeah.
then the 73 Supreme Court.
I'll
Why didn't you take out B.R. Mudoi, Molloy Kumar Bora? Okay, no, say.
Well, I'll
Yes, কি করল last again? No, লেখিবা ito. Oh, sister, he has also submitted that law is well settled on this aspect that if at all the disciplinary authority wishes to disagree with any findings favorable to the delinquent, he can issue a notice before taking a decision, but a separate disciplinary proceeding is not contemplated. Full stop. In this connection, he has relied upon the judgment of Kunj Bihari Mishra versus Punjab National Bank, reported in 1998.
1998. This is Punjab National Bank versus Kunj Bihari, my lord. 1998, 7 SCC 84.
7 SCC 84. What's the para? Yes. We issue notice.
My lord.
Don't proceed.
I like this point of this officer is on a verge of retirement. If we don't proceed, my lord, it is a state of show cause. I have also a judgment, Pune City judgment. And that the rule, Assam Pension Code, my lord, Rule 21 will kick it.
No, it will not kick in. The matter is before this court.
My lord.
We'll protect your interest. Let notice be issued. 3. D. Gogoi, learned standing counsel Forest Department, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent numbers, on behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies within 2 working days. The learned senior counsel brought the petitioner praise for an interim order. Para, taking into consideration the facts and circumstances and the law and the settled principles of law laid down, it is directed that till the returnable date, the disciplinary proceeding sought to be initiated wide the impugned order dated 16/12/2024 shall remain suspended. Full stop. The present interim order would be without any prejudice to either of the parties, and the said aspect would be reconsidered on the returnable
My
date.
lord.
Mr. Purkaster?
But this second round of litigation, earlier it is pending, my lord. During the pendency of the writ petition, my lord, the departmental appeal was disposed of by the ONGC, my lord. And again, the impugned order has come, my lord. It is the 29/5/2024.
You could have amended your earlier writ petition instead of having 2 writ petitions. Heard Sri B. Purkaster, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order dated 29/5/2024 passed by the Appellate Authority of the ONGC Limited, by which his appeal has been dismissed. The initial order of dismissal dated 13/4/2023 is concerned. He has filed the writ 24, which is pending. Para, let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. And let's step Union of India. Ms. B. Chakraborty, learned CCC accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. ONGC, you can take. Let steps be taken for service of notice. Respondent 1, extra copies. Let steps be taken for 2 and 3. Raised at post with AD, steps within 2 days, 2 working days. List along with 349 ne kiya asil,
394, 2020.
24. Yes, next.
Appellate.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, matter be taken after some time.
Sometime
At 2, lordship.
2 will not have any matters. We cannot wait for one matter.
Like in
Yes, the petition. What is your case? Where is your brief?
It's a departmental proceeding was there.
Where is the impugned order? Page
104.
104.
Yes. 104.
104.
Yes, what is this? What is your name, madam?
Miss A. April.
Heard me say after learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by an order dated 19/6/2024 when he was by which he was dismissed. He has been dismissed from service as a sub-inspector UB in the Assam Police. Full stop. The subsequent departmental appeal, don't say subsequent, the departmental appeal referred against the said dismissal order has also been dismissed by the order dated 19/11/2024. Para. Let rule be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Mr. Goswami, for all the respondents, extra copies, 2 working days. Give them extra copies, madam.
Yeah, yes.
42.
Yes, Mr. Deori, what is this?
Your Lordship, we are agree, we are staff nurses, Your Lordship, we are agree by the fact that from the last 10 years, we have not been promoted. In the meantime, Your
Do
Lordship.
you have the eligibility criteria?
Yes,
Do you
Your
meet?
Lordship, for the last 10 years. And in the meantime, Your Lordship, the staff nurses who are present, who are having BSc nursing, they are currently sister tutors and they will be again promoted, Your Lordship. So they were promoted in the year 2021 as sister tutors, which is, and then they will be again promoted, Your Lordship. However, we are not yet promoted, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship may kindly pay
Heard
39.
T. Deori, learned counsel for the petitioners. Full stop. The petitioners, as per the projected case, the petitioners who are staff nurses have been in service for more than 10 years and till date they have not been considered for any promotion. Full stop. It is submitted that the next promotion and post is the post of
Ward in charge, Your Lordship. Ward in charge.
ward in charge, and they have the eligibility.
Yes.
Full stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on. We give a date 24th of January 2025. Sri DP Bora, learned standing counsel, health and family welfare department for all the respondents.
No, my lord. Respondent number 2 and 3. ma'am.
One, who is one? 1, 8 Alugdar. 1. SAD is a party or what?
Yes, sir.
Chief Secretary, okay.
Director of Health Services Department. Principal Secretary Government Person.
You are praying for an interim order.
Yes, sir.
The other persons are not before us.
No, madam.
Sri Deori, the learned council prays for an interim order. Para. However, considering that the persons who may be affected are not party respondents, this court, instead of stalling the process, observes that any appointment, any promotion made in the meantime shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
Deeply obliged.
Madam Chaudhary, your matter? IA for?
Lordship, for implement of the power department as a party respondent in the proceeding, what has happened is that while the pleadings were exchanged, the AEGCL has made.
Will implement this, will implement? Oh, he'll be appearing.
I'm appearing for 1, 2, 3.
No, power department, I think Mr. Goswami will be appearing. Para. Heard Ms. R.S. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition, for the applicant petitioner, who by means of this application has sought the implement of the power within bracket electricity department, Government of Assam, as respondent number 6 in the connected writ petition. Full stop. It is submitted that during the adjudication of the said writ petition, the necessity of such implement has been felt, and accordingly, this application has been filed. Para. Also heard Sri S. Kotoki Leonard for
1, 2, 3.
Leonard Standing Council AEGCL. You for B. Sharma. You are on behalf of whom? You are, what is your name? B. Sharma means? Bankim Sharma, okay. AD, Learned Council representing Sri B. Sharma Standing Council, APSC. And persons with disability, anyone?
Lots have already taken steps on
Okay, okay. Para, upon hearing, this court is of the view that for a complete adjudication of the matter, the present implement, the implement of the power department would be necessary. Full stop. Para, accordingly, the so and so is implemented as respondent number 6. Full stop. The as per 6, the IA stands allowed. So accordingly stands allowed. In the writ petition, you write wide under this court wide order dated, order passed today, that is so and so, has implemented the following party as respondent number 6, taller party to Nimnam Didiba. Miss R.H. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is directed to file amended cost title in the writ petition. Para, since the newly implemented respondent number 6 is represented by Sri J.K. Goswami, Learned State Council, formal issuance of notice is dispensed with. Para, Sri Goswami may obtain instructions. No. Since so and so issued, since so and so Learned Council represents the respondent number, newly implemented number 6. That notice be issued to the newly implemented respondent number 6. Then you write, since Sri J.K. Goswami, Learned State Council, accepts notice on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 6, issuance of formal steps upon the said respondent number 6 is dispensed with. Para, Sri Goswami, the Learned State Council, may obtain necessary instructions and file affidavit in opposition as if so advised.
I'll serve today.
Extra copies of the amended of the writ petition with the amended cost title be served upon Sri Goswami.
There was an interim order till today. Till
Is
the
it
next
till
date.
today?
It was just mentioned that till the next date. It is
When was the next date?
which was there was no next date fixed, unfortunately. It was
Okay.
kindly
The interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Lot of giving me a date.
It's the
Any date last week of January.
list after 6 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Okay, rest of the matters after the vacation.
Item 16 can be disposed of. We have issued the PPO.
16.
16.
Well, item number 11.
Wait. One by one. 16 who is for the petitioner?
Yep.
Okay. 16. Heard Sri A. Pal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri B. Chakraborty, Learned CGC. Full stop. Sri Chakraborty, the Learned CGC, has submitted that the PPO in question has already been issued and the grievance, and there would be no existing grievance. He has also placed on record the communication dated 9/8/2024 received by him along with a copy of the PPO itself, along with a copy of the PPO itself. Para. The aforesaid copies are also handed over to Sri Pal, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. In view of the aforesaid submission, this court is of the opinion that there will be no live cause of action to be adjudicated, full stop. Writ petition accordingly stands disposed of.
That may be kept as a part of the record.
A copy of the communications handed over to this court are made part of the records.
My lord, item 14, my lord, may come up after,
He'll give dates.
my lord.
Dates, court master will give.
My lord, item 11, it is for implementation of party, my lord. Some parties, actually, opposite to 6 to 14, 6 to 14, my lord, who are likely to be affected by the claim of the petitioner hearing, my lord. So there may
Item
be,
number?
11, my lord. 11, implementation of party.
You should have made a mention in the morning which said, we will not take up any matters other than urgent matters. We'll come after the vacation.
But may pick it up.
He'll come, he'll give a date. Okay, thank you, and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a New Year.